Happy Pi Day, friends! I wanted to share an update on my Raspberry Pi project, the Pi CrowBox. Woo! So the goal of this project is to engage with the crows in my community and train them to clean up the neighborhood in exchange for food. I'm using a Raspberry Pi to do two things. One, act as the controller for the system, so it dispenses food, and to make sure that the crows aren't gaming the system, and related, that I'm not feeding the rats, because crows and squirrels, yay, rats, not so much. So the way that it works is the crow will land on the trash bin, which is just a bucket. It'll trigger a switch, and then the servo will move the crank on the bubblegum dispenser to dispense what I've read is crow's favorite nuts, walnuts. It'll also, well, I should say, the Pi, over here, will take a picture with the Raspberry Pi camera, and then it'll use machine learning to, number one, the first training procedure is to make sure that I'm only feeding crows, so it'll check to make sure it's a crow. And then number two, when the crows eventually get trained to bring me trash, it will make sure that they're not gaming the system with sticks and leaves and things like that. So the camera will be aimed at the trash can after I figure out how to only get the crows to come. And then the machine learning model will do inferencing to make sure that the item is trash. Cool! I hope that you enjoyed this. I will post updates as I slowly work on it with the goal of installing it this summer. We'll see how it goes. Alright, thanks very much for watching and happy Pi Day! Bye!